Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update HomeKit EV charging automations for off-peak rates, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Locate the section for automations. Tap on the plus icon to create a new automation. Choose the A time of day occurs option. Set the time for when you want the charging to begin. Select the next button after setting the time. Now, search for your EV charger in the accessories list. Select the EV charger. Choose the action you want it to perform. For example, tap on Turn On. Next, set the duration for how long you want the charger to run. Consider your vehicle's charging needs. Now, you'll want to adjust this for off-peak times. Check with your utility company for off-peak hours. Make sure your scheduled time aligns with those hours. Once you've made these adjustments, tap Next. Review your automation summary. Make sure everything is set correctly. Finally, tap Done to save your automation. Your HomeKit EV charging automation is now updated for off-peak rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.